Welcome back. KBCC Garage.
Hey folks, welcome back to the KBCC Garage. Oh, and hey, there's Robert. Hey there, KB. If you've been watching the KBCC Garage long enough, then you know me. And I love fast cars. And I've been seeing this one in the back lot for a long time. I've been waiting for us to get back to this one. Okay. Alright, so we got a new project here that we've been working on. Hey, Robert, you can go back to the shop. No doubt about it, KB. I'll see you later on. Alright, so working on this Revell 1969 Chevelle. This whole thing started quite a while ago because I was watching Luka Cee's video. He's doing a 68 Chevelle like this, Revell Chevelle. Anyway, I copied a lot of things from what he was doing, and I've been picking his brain as to some things that would be included in this type of build. It's going to be a drag car, I believe, called it Stock Eliminator, and these wheels, just like his, are from the 90 Mustang drag car kit. The front tires are from that kit. The rear tires coming out of the 68 Dodge Dart, which you're getting a preview of again. How far I've gotten on that one so far for the USACC build. We haven't made much progress, but it's coming along. Anyway, a few things here, trying to get it to look like a drag car, and I've got a few ideas to make it pretty original. Thinking of getting my wife to make me some decals to make a fictional drag team, which is going to be a dedication to my dad and his brothers, who used to do a lot of drag racing, street racing, but drag racing nonetheless, and having fun with cars. And it's quite a bit of work's gone into this so far. You might not be able to tell it, but these wheels and tires don't fit unless you do a little bit of work. And I've had some pictures that Luka Cee had sent to me, and he told me, give me some words of wisdom on what to do to make this as close as possible to an official drag car. As you can see, I started on a little roll cage in there, which I was just watching his video. I've been scouring his channel for information on how to build a drag car, and I used some of his method to get that roll cage, or that roll bar, which I'm going to expand into a cage. I actually used I don't know what size tubing it is. It's this tubing right here, and then I put some solder in it, which I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's a little bit of solder. So when you heat it up, instead of it collapsing on itself, you can actually just bend it, and that solder will help it keep its shape. It's not my technique. I've seen other people use that before, and I just adapted it. Anyway, I'll throw up some pictures, probably a little montage of the underside and things that I've done to it so far. But I'll actually take a peek under the hood. Once again, the hood is off. Alright, so going with the kit engine and transmission. It's going to be a big block 396 stick car, which Luka Cee gave me the classification that you put on the windows and everything. So I think I'm going to try and figure out a way to get that on the windows with the numbers and ETA and all that stuff. And then I'm also going to have like sponsorship stickers. I'm going to have my wife design me some kind of name or logo for the door. And this is pretty much, I think, going to be the stance of it. I'm still trying to decide what color scheme to go with. And I just got a package in the mail today. I've been ordering some stuff to get this going. You know, when you're already involved in 2 or 3 other group builds, you might as well throw another one on the burner that's not included in any group build, to kind of complicates your life. But I got a package in the mail today for my first order ever from VCG Resins from Josh. And take a look what I got. Some big block Chevy long tube headers that I'm hoping will fit these things. These things are beautiful. Look at that detail. So I'm gonna probably be busting these out tonight and seeing what we could do. Luka Cee, or Matt, had showed me a picture of 69 or 68 Chevelle drag car underneath it, and it's seen it showed, I don't know if you can see it here, a little area in the tank. Yep, so I'm gonna have some fuel pump coming for it, which will hang to the right there. I'll probably put a picture of the picture they sent me. But also, I didn't know, but these cars, they actually ran full exhaust systems on them too, so I'm trying to decide if I want to run open headers or full exhaust, which I will decide on once I get a little closer. You can see there's a better look at it. And I'll probably throw up a picture, like I said, of that. It's just a little, not exactly sure what that's called, but it's inside the tank of the car. I was proud of doing that. Have fabricated that the other night, and last night I was working on the roll cage, watching Luka Cee's video. So it's coming along. I'll probably get back on either the USACC or the lowrider group build at some point. Most likely the USACC, since that actually has a deadline. I need to kind of push forward on that one a little more. But let's put the hood back on. And there we go, back on. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna probably more update videos on this. I thought it was over, but there we go. There's the grill and tail lights and tail bumper and everything painted up. Use a canopy glue to get these in there, and then yellow, to me a clear yellow to get those little turn signals or fog lights, whatever it is in there. All right, anyway, that's about all I have for this video. Appreciate everybody for tuning in to the KBCC Garage. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And stay tuned for more. More to come soon.